Shalom, shalom, everyone. Dear donors and friends, thank you so much for joining us here in this incredible dedication of a Torah scroll for the memory of the fallen soldiers of our Golani Brigade. This is an evening that many people came, and you will see a lot of donors, family members, wounded soldiers, warriors that are joining together, even writing parts of the Torah scroll right now. As you can see the people writing together with the Holy Scribe, we can also see the Torah Scrolls house with the names of the fallen soldiers written on top of it, also with the tree of Golani decorating it. This is a very, very moving moment for all of us here. As we're about to finish writing the Torah scroll, I am personally asked to sit down by the Holy Scribe and add my letter to the scroll. While doing the prayer, I'm dedicating this to all of you, our friends, partners, donors who are helping us, the Golani Brigade, our soldiers, through life and death, unfortunately. I'm dedicating this letter to all of you and praying for God to bless you all for whatever you have done for us for years. As we are finishing up writing the Torah scroll, the celebrations are beginning. There's a huge excitement in the air. People are praying, praising God, bringing a Torah scroll, a new Torah scroll into the Golani Brigade, into our battalion, into our company is a dream come true that would never been able to happen without your donations and support and standing together with us. So let's join the celebrations all together now. In these celebrations, I'm handling the Torah from one person to another. Everybody wants to hold the scroll. Everybody wants to dance. Everybody wants to celebrate. It's a huge, huge spiritual excitement. People are just celebrating this Torah book and remembering the fallen soldiers during this incredible time of celebrations. We will never forget these heroes who gave their lives so we can live and continue to live in this country, in the land that God gave us forever. So join us again, be with us. Remember that everything that you have done is for the glory of God and for the memory of our fallen heroes. While the celebrations are happening in one room, we are here watching over each and every one of the fallen soldiers. There's a candle that is lit with the eternal flame for the memory of each and every one of our 44 soldiers from our battalion who died in the war. People are gathering in the other room now in a prayer, in a memorial prayer for all these beautiful soldiers and for their lives and for their souls to be elevated and be right next to the throne of our Lord up in the heavens. This is an incredible, incredible Jewish thing, celebrating in one side and praying on the other side. We also had one of the top Israeli singers, Moshe Peretz, come to celebrate with us and volunteered to sing for the families, for the fallen soldiers, to be a part of this unbelievable celebration. a huge spiritual guy, a man of God, and he's celebrating together with all of us. If you want to continue supporting us, you can scan the QR that comes on your screen from time to time, and you'll go directly to our PayPal page.
שומר ישראל, השם שומרך, השם צילך, על יד ימינך. יומם השמש לא יככה וירח בלילה, השם ישמורך מכל רע, ישמור את נפשך, השם ישמור צאתך ובואך, מעתה ועד עולם, מעתה ועד גולני, גולני שלי, גולני, גולני, גולני שלי, גולני שלי, גולני, גולני שלי, גולני, גולני, גולני שלי, גולני שלי.
This is our time to thank you from the bottom of our hearts for your continued support, for standing with Israel, and for standing with our Golani soldiers from now and forevermore. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Here's some photos of you with our lone wolves, the soldiers of Golani that you've been supporting. Unfortunately, some of them are not with us anymore. God bless you all.